Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you create distorted text effect in CapCut PC. So it's so simple. You can select the background and I'm just going to change for contrast, change for the color, and after done I'm going to add text, select the full text. And you can adjust for the duration and change for the text. Alright. You can resize and change font and change for the font style. And after done, select the clips, right click, create component clip, and go to effect and select distortion. Select distorted figure. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.